Hello everyone, I'm Raheel from Brownwood Renovation and I'm excited to take you on a journey through our latest renovation project in Toronto for Mr. Lieblein's family. At Brownwood Renovation, we are a team of skilled professionals passionate about delivering exceptional home renovation experiences. We specialize in full home renovation, kitchen and bathroom, remodeling and basement finishes. We collaborate with engineers, designers, and industry experts. We ensure that every detail is strictly crafted to bring our clients' vision to life. From start to finish, our focus is on delivering outstanding quality. We pay close attention to every element, from craftsmanship to the finest touches. The transformation of this home, including the kitchen, bathroom, basement, and main living areas, has been truly remarkable. If you're looking for a trusted partner to turn your home into a space of your dreams, we will love to connect with you. Call us today to schedule a consultation. And let's bring your vision to reality. Thank you.